Hey guys, the Rage here. So today I'm very excited to unbox the Logitech Flight Rudder Pedal. So I had the this honeycomb flight yoke for a long time. I had the throttle set. I was just missing the rudder pedal. So I'm very excited to try it out. So let's see. It has precision, tension. It's modular. So I'm very excited to try this out, and I'm gonna open this box. And I did not take this things ahead of time. Oh, didn't mean to do that, but it's just a box. So it's gonna go in the trash anyways. Because oh, come on, I am very what do you call it? Like bowl of China shop today, and I should have cut these things out, but I did not. So I'm like looking for alternatives here. And there you go. I'm just ripping it off. So without further ado, this thing is big. It's so big. So bear with me for a moment. I'll take this thing out of the box. And that's how it comes. Nice. Just gonna. I don't know. It's kind of heavy actually. All right. Let's do it differently. We are going to. This. It's really stuck in there. They packaged this stuff really, really well, I have to say. So hold on one second. You can see like the little camera over there. It does not want to come out. For reals. Alright. So open both sides of the box. So this thing will come out. Alright. Throw the box away. Alright, there it is. Oh, that wasn't good. Anyways. Drop some brackets. Open this up. So this is everything that comes in the box. That's not in there. Sorry about the noise. This is harder. I think this is the hardest thing I ever had to unbox. Believe it or not. Yeah, that was like really stuck in there. Okay. So it comes with this brackets, which I don't really know what they're for, but I am gonna open them up because we're gonna figure out together. And everything is like so well like taped up. It's like really looks like to be a cover. So we'll take that. This is the cable. Oh, okay. We don't need the plastic around anymore. So take that. Toss that in the trash. And without further ado, more tape. These people love tape. Logitech, why so much tape? Alright. Oh, look at this. Throw this in the trash. Alright, let's see if you guys can see this. Look at that. It's nice and shiny. It does have a lot of tension to it, though. That is for sure. Oh. Like, very good. And you can push this and adjust your paddle size. So, don't worry if you have a big feet like me, or you might have a much smaller feet, and you can just adjust it. It's nice quality material. So this is the tensioner, right? So if you want these pedals to, to be harder to respond, then wow, it's actually a big difference. You can, add tension or remove tension. So this is like with the least amount of tension, and you can actually go kind of crazy here. Wow, like really crazy in more rotation. So a power LED, which amazingly enough looks like it's on already. It's not, but it looks on. It's a default state is on. You have your USB cable where you plug into your computer or setup, whichever one that is. I'm assuming it's a computer. It has to be a computer, right? There it is. Just regular USB. It's not a fast USB or anything like that. I don't think it needs to be. This is the only signal it's sending to, so should be fine. I believe these are some anti-skid pads. I'm guessing here, but we'll figure it out. So toss that in the trash. Some instructions on how to plug it into the USB in case you guys don't know how to do that. you know, trash. And that's it. That's the only instructions and some mumbo jumbo safety information. All right, and then these are Velcros. So it's you know a sticky Velcro thing, and in case you want to put it in the floor and Velcro it up so it does not slide. Then there it is. Not really sure what these are. Let's see. So there's two of these things, and no. Oh, okay. I think I see where it goes. Not here, but right here. There you go. So you extend them, and they look a lot bigger. So, hey, not really sure what the purpose is. It has some rubber fit in it, so maybe more surface area. As you can see, it is, you know, has some rubber foot in there. But that's where it goes for sure. So there it is. That's a Logitech unboxing. Quality seems pretty good. It's nice and sturdy. I'm assuming these tapes will go in the bottom. Let me just take this extension things out for now. And yep, so they go right here. So you can put in your floor, and then they won't slide when you. And it probably depends on what type of floor you have, right? I'm gonna try with just these pads and see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, then I will use those strips. But there you have it. That's essentially comes pretty much in one piece. It's adjustable. I'm already gonna start here for my foot because I have big feet. So, and push them. There you go. And yeah, I can't wait to fly it with this. And you can adjust the tension as you would like. And yeah, it'll be a more realistic experience for sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna test this out. I'll probably do a review later, and I'm gonna show you guys my whole setup here as well. You know, this should work just fine with the honeycomb controller. And it has, you know, I love these things. I all the buttons and stuff. So hopefully you guys like the video. I'll talk to you guys later.